We're going to start as usual. We're going to find the center of 3 strings. I'm going to put 1 string underneath, and we're going to start with a regular twist stitch. So this string is going to be from over under, and then the next orange string over and under, and so on. To continue, I'm going to make a regular twist stitch at the beginning. Now comes the interesting part. I'm going to take the far right string, which is here, top far right, and I'm going to go around this cyan string to the center of a stitch. So you can pick also any string you want, but for this tutorial, I'm just going to do that. And of course, you don't need to make it towards the center, which is here. You can also go at here, and go here, and every idea gives you a little bit different results. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to stick it to the center to make it simple. And then you stretch. Stretch is the hardest part. Is instead of stretching all strings, you're going to take this side here and stretch all string with this side here before stretching the silver string. And then you're going to stretch the silver. And now we do the same idea. So taking these 2 cyans, one goes to the right here, diagonally, one to the left, and I'm just gonna weave. We have 2 strings on the right and 2 strings on the left, so just do that. And as before, I'm going to take this far gray string, I'm going to go around this cyan loop and to the center. You can go here, you can go here, you can go here, you can go even here. Well, you can go any almost any place. So I'm just gonna stick it to the center. So I'll do 2 more, and then I'll just speed it up. Cyan string to the right, the string to the left, and you weave. Taking gray string into the center. And I'll do it one last time before showing results. I'm gonna speed it up also. So as expected, if you continue, you're gonna have a circle stitch here around till the end, and this thing is gonna loop. So to make it a little bit more interesting, I'm gonna do the same idea, but same stitch, twist stitch, but instead of rotating with this gray string, this silver string, I'm gonna rotate with this orange string. So let's begin. I'll do it 2 more times. To make the end stitch, I'm just gonna unstretch the orange string, the center, and then I'll make an end stitch with the three strings here to the center here, and then I'll make an end stitch with a triangle end stitch with these three strings. So let's do that.